I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 34 under section 4. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D below each of the following sentences. Choose the words or group of words that is nearest in meaning to the underlined words as it is used in the sentence. So the sentence given to us is, she will always be grateful that you saved her from kidnappers. Now the word is grateful. So option A, content, B, comforted, C, happy, and D, thankful. So first let's look at the meaning of the word grateful and each of the meaning of the options, and then we will see the one that is nearest in meaning. So grateful means appreciative. Another word that can be substituted is thankful. So appreciated or thankful. Now you have content, which is option A, and content means giving satisfaction. Giving satisfaction. Option B is comforted, and it means consolation or ease. Then C means happy, and happy means any good or positive feeling. And then option D, which is thankful, means showing appreciation. So we said the word grateful means appreciative or thankful, which is option D, and you can see the option D also means showing appreciation. Therefore the correct answer is D, which is thankful, and it is nearest in meaning to grateful. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.